Hi students, welcome back to our session. Today's session we are going to discuss measures of central tendency. Now we are going to solve the problems. The first one, the following distribution represents the height of 160 students of a school, height in centimeter, number of students. One 40 to 145, 145 to 150, 150 to 155, 160, 160 to 165, 165 to 170, 170 to 175, 175 to 180. And the number of students are 12, 20, 30, 38, 24, 16, 12, 8. Now we have to draw an OG graph for the given distribution. Taking 2 centimeter is equal to 5 centimeter of height on one axis and 2 centimeter is equal to 20 students on the other axis. Using the graph, determine the first one. We need to find the median height. And the second one, the interquartile. The interquartile range we need to find. And the third one, the number of students whose height is above 172 centimeter. Solution. Now just I am going to draw cumulative frequency table. Cumulative frequency table for the given. Now just I am going to write the given measurements. Height in centimeter, and the next number of students, here cumulative frequency. The first interval is 140 to 145, 145 to 150, 150 to 155, 155 to 160, 160 to 165, 165 to 170, 170 to 175, 175 to 180. The number of students 12, 20, 30, 38, 24, 16, 12, 8. And we need to find the cumulative frequency. First you have to write as it is what you have, 12. Next you have to do the cross adding. 12 plus 20 is 32, 32 plus 30 it is 62, 62 plus 38 is 100, 100 plus 124, 124, 124 plus 16, 140, 140 plus 12, 152, 152 plus 8 it is 160. In the question they have given that total number of students is 160. So if you add here the total frequency also, you are going to get 160, and as well as if you check the cumulative frequency, the last value also it is 160. So we can consider n is equal to 160. Now here, without using that formula, we are going to find the median and interquartile range and number of students whose height is more than 172 centimeter. Now we have drawn the graph here. Now we have to mention the intervals. The upper limit we have to consider it as x-axis. So 145, and here we have 150, 155, 160, 165, 170, 175, 180. Next, in the y-axis we are going to consider it as, okay, now the scale in the x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 20 units. 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 140, 160, 180. The plotting points are 145, 12, 150, 32, 155, 62, 160, 100, 165, 124, 170, 140, 175, 152, 180, 160. So we have written all the points. Just we have to plot in the graph. 145, 12, the point is here, and 150, 32, 155, 62, 160, 100, and the next one 165, 124, 170, 140, 175, 152, 180, 160. With the free hand, just I am going to join the points. Okay, now just I am going to mention the points. 145, 12, 150, 32, 155, 62, 160, 100, 170, 140, 165, 124, 170, 140, 175, 152, and the last point 180, 160. Okay, now we need to find out median, n by 2. So n by 2 value, it is 160 divided by 2 is equal to 80th term. Okay, so 80th observation we need to find. The y-axis, it is going to be observation. and the x-axis is height in centimeters. Okay, the next one, Q1, the first quadrille is equal to n by 4. So n by 4, the formula is 160 divided by 4 is equal to 40th observation. And the next Q3 is equal to 3n by 4 is equal to 3 into 160 divided by 4 is equal to 120th observation. Okay, now listen carefully. Here we need to draw the horizontal line from the x-axis as 80 observation. So from here we need to draw the line. From here we need to draw the perpendicular line to the x-axis. Okay, now the value is 157.25. Median is equal to 157.25. So this is a median value m. This is a median. Okay, next we need to draw first quadrille. First quadrille is 40 observation. So 40 is here. From here you need to draw the line, horizontal line to the curve. From the curve, now you have to draw the perpendicular line to the x-axis. Now this is Q1. This is a median. Next we need to find Q3 from 120 observation. This is Q3. Now from the curve you need to draw the perpendicular line to the x-axis. Now next we need to find a number of students whose height is more than 172 centimeter. Okay, now listen carefully. They have given more than 172 centimeter. So 170. Now here this is a 172 centimeter. From here you have to draw the perpendicular line first. From here to we have to draw the perpendicular line. Next, where the curve it is intercepting, from there you have to draw the horizontal line to the y-axis. Now we got here 140. So from 160 if you subtract 140 you are going to get 20 students. So you have more than 172 centimeter height of the students or 20 students. For the third sub question, number of students whose height is above 72 centimeters. Number of students whose height is more than 172 centimeter is 20 students. So this is the final answer.